Hey guys, today I'm going to be opening up some Pokemon. So, I have some packs that we're going to be opening. We also have some other stuff like we have a deck box, a portfolio, some sleeves, and 5 packs. So you can only see 4. We have 2 Silver Tempest and 2 Lost Origin, but I also have another Fusion Strike coming with the portfolio. So, let's get into it. Okay, I reckon we should open maybe a Lost Origin first. So, here we go. Good luck. Hopefully we can get some nice hits for the sleeves. V-Star marker. Oh. Seviper. We have a Galarian Stunfisk. Box of Disaster. Sudowoodo. Electrike. Love Disc. Gligar. Wurmple. Electrike Reverse. And a Dustox non-holo. Not a great start, but we might be able to get some good hits. Okay, I reckon we should do Silver Tempest now. Okay, Fire Energy. Dedenne. Breakson. Morpeko in the angry version. Wailord. Dratini. Phoebus. Vulpix. Drowsy. Meditite. Ooh, that's pretty cool. We've got an Earthen Sealstone. That's pretty cool, actually. Okay, so we've got a hit so far. I'd count it as a hit. It's like a V-Star kind of, like a V-Star holo. So we'll put this to the side. We'll sleeve it up later. Let's do another Lost Origin. Oh, you might have seen the code there. Fire Energy. Machoke. Iscan. Carbink. Meditite, Squovit, Phantump, Gligar, Sudowoodo, Mawile, and another holo. So this is Volo in like kind of an Arceus kind of suit. That's pretty cool. So far 2 holos. Think we're gonna get a hit in the last pack? Well, let's find out. Actually, no, this isn't the last pack. Another Fire Energy. Okay, that is Unidentified Fossil. Arachnoid. Stunjourner. Relicanth. Hawlucha. Rufflet, Vulpix, Drowsy, Fluffy, reverse. That's right, Fluffy character rare. That's pretty nice. Fluffy, huh? Very nice. Trainer Gallery 3 out of 30. So quite a lot of trainer galleries. Now I'm going to open the portfolio with the Fusion Strike pack. Really hoping to get that Gengar and Mew VMAX. Those are pretty cool cards. Haven't had the best luck with Fusion Strike. All I've done is pull V, so we have this. The pack, which I'm hoping is something good in it. And we also have the very nice portfolio. Put that up there. Here we go, Fusion Strike, last pack of the day. Haven't had very good luck, like I said before, I'm pretty sure. Electric Energy, Excadrill, Double, Spongy Gloves, Baneri, Clobbopus, Dynamo, Zora, Shelter, and a Holo Starmie. So that's quite a lot of holos. Don't normally get so much holos. So here's the hits. We've got a hit from almost every pack. So here we go. Let's move some cards out of the way. So better show off. So we have the kind of V-Star holo. The Volo holo. Kind of rhymes. The Fluffy. Yep. Yeah. And the Starmie holo. That's pretty good. 4 out of 5. Our hit rate. So I reckon we should open up the sleeves that go with it. That come with that I got as well. Tear that open and get the sleeves. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sleeves, and we can put the rest back into the package. So here we go, let's sleeve them up. Volo. The V-Star Energy. Oh, put it in the wrong way. Sometimes do that with my cards. Starmie. Oh, that's right, that's Star U. Oh, put it around the wrong way. I'll deal with that later. And the Fluffy. Probably my favourite card. Let's open the deck box now. I think it only comes with a coin, so don't expect too much. So here's a deck box. Like this Mew, I've got a 1999 Mew. Here we go. Oh no, it doesn't come with a coin. Like I was thinking, it just has a deck placement thing. So, pretty cool. Anyway, I'd say that was pretty good. See you in the next video. 4 out of 5 and hits against packs. Pretty good. See you in the next video. Bye. Peace out.